I'm grounded in compassion, centered in compassion, 'cause the most important person is me.
Well, hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to Compassion Pause. I say back because I've actually been gone for a couple of weeks. You may have noticed that we didn't have any posts during that period of time. I need an assistant, right? But anywho, I went on a cruise for the first week, and then on the second week did a little land type of stuff. For those of you that are experiencing a little stress or whatever, yeah, there's a reason why we do vacations. It really does take the edge off. But one of the things I wanted to talk about today is not so much as the cruise or the vacation itself, but what it actually does for our everyday life. For those that have taken my class, you understand what we're talking about when we talk about a nurturing moment. These are moments that we have experienced in life that we can now use to nurture ourselves even after the fact. So my vacation was actually some data that is stored in these beautiful brains of ours, and it can be pulled up at any time, even while boots on the ground, while I'm doing my everyday life. I can take a moment and nurture myself with that particular memory. Think about it this way: your mind is always practicing something. Why not give it something nourishing to practice? So today, take a moment and revisit a good memory. Let it settle into your heart and let it remind you that goodness has always been a part of your story too. That's emotional hygiene, grounded in compassion for yourself, centered in compassion, because in any given moment of nurturance, the most important person is you. From Compassion Center, may your heart stay open, your spirit at peace, and may you live each day as a vessel of love, fully alive, fully free. See you next time on Compassion Pause.
I'm grounded in compassion, centered in compassion, 'cause the most important person is me.